Hey, John Logar here from Consulting Unleashed. We are here at video number 5 in this series of trainings that I'm delivering to maximize the opportunity to generate revenue quickly for your business. This tactic that I'm going to be sharing with you in this video is something that a lot of people underestimate the power of, and really at the end of the day it is one that creates perception, confidence, and more importantly an abundance of cash flow for your business. So the idea and the tactic I'm talking about is selling your services at higher prices. There is less competition at the higher level, and there are people out there who are looking for a premium level service. So what you want to do is you would want to package your services in multi-pricing for a multi-pricing strategy. So what most people do is they offer one offer and it's a yes or no answer in their presentation. What you want to do is offer a yes or a yes option. So if you're doing that, you want to create a standard price point. I call that your current price is your poverty pack, right? The one that you want people to buy right now. And then you create a value added option, which is a much higher price. It might be 50 to 100% higher than the standard options. So your standard option might be $3,000, like $3,000 setup fee, $3,000 a month in recurring in management fees, plus ad spend. So the client is basically worth $36,000 to you per annum on the agreement. The second option will be perhaps you run the strategy that you're running at that $3,000 option and then add another strategy that supports or is going to give better leverage to that initial offering. So that offering might be a $5,000 setup fee and $6,000 a month in recurring revenue, which essentially turns out to $72,000 in annualized revenue rather than $36,000 in annualized revenue. And then you may have a premium, a super premium option that might be at that $10,000 or $15,000 mark that you're offering to the market. Now, when you're servicing, when you're sharing this offer, what you're doing at the end of this, based on what you've talked about, based on the solutions, the client's going to be, okay, I get how you work, I get how this will benefit us. But then when you get to that pricing option, you say, listen, here's option 1, option 2, option 3. At the option 1 level, this is the bare standard that you actually want to engage. But ideally, the people that we work with and most of the customers that do apply our tactics and strategies take advantage of option number 2 because it adds so much more value. And more importantly, it's going to give you a much stronger result and accelerate that process for you. Or we have people that work with us at the premium level where we provide a very comprehensive structure. This puts the marketing or the strategy or the system on steroids, and it maximizes your opportunity for greater return or greater yield. Of these 3 options, which of these do you believe would suit your business best? And what the person's going to do is they're going to negate the cheapest option, and they're probably going to go straight to the middle, the one in the middle, which is double the price, right? So immediately they've upsold themselves because they want to do what every other business does to get leverage, to get growth, to speed up. So as part of that strategy to increase your pricing, give people multiple options. Now, you don't want to give more than 3 options, and you don't want to give less than 2 options. So 2 options is a minimum, 3 would be preferable because you have a premium offering. And then people are always going to ask is, what do we get at that premium level? And if you don't offer a premium priced service, then your customer can't buy it. So if you want a chunk of cash, a much higher proportion of cash banked in your bank account, then offer a premium option to the marketplace, and you will find that a percentage of people that look at that offer will actually buy that premium option. The second thing that you want to do is look at ways of incrementally increasing your prices by 20%. The next time you sit down, do a proposal or presentation, and you deliver your money value, when you write that figure down, what you want to do is you want to put in, increase that price immediately by 20%. Then the next client increase by price by 20%, and before you know it, you're going to be generating 30 to 40 or 50 or even 100% what you're normally charging for the same service by adding that incremental increase. And that increase, that money, is a net profit to you because you're not incurring any extra costs in deliverables. So that is money that you, after you pay the tax department, you get to put that money in your back pocket as net profit. Right? So, and that is huge because it adds significant cash flow. Most people undercharge for what they do. Most people don't have premium pricing. And let me tell you, the competition at the premium level is way less than people who are out there offering cheap pricing, commodity pricing. You will stand out from the crowd by offering a premium priced offer. So, as a pricing strategy, increase incrementally. The other thing is offer to get people to pay the whole thing right up front. A lot of people do time payments. What you want to do is you want to collect 100% up front. And if they do pay up front, you can give them a 10% discount, right? So that's the other thing is you want to get all the money or as much of the money up front. Right? So there's a commitment. So, hey, you can, if you offer for them to pay for the whole thing in advance and save some money, there's a percentage of the market that will give you the cash up front. So imagine getting $36,000 cash in bank. Imagine 60, 70, 100,000. In fact, one of our consulting champions offered this deal for a client to pay up front, and they deposited $108,000 cash into their account and paid for the agreement right up front. If you don't offer it, they can't buy it. So if you like these tactics, like these videos, love to get some feedback. If you've been increasing your prices, let us know. If you've been applying the strategies we've been sharing these videos, love to hear the execution, what's actually gone on and how that's been working for you. So thanks for watching. I will see you on the next video.